everybody, Mike here. We have the new Intex Prism frame premium pull set. It's 10 foot by 30 inches. It does come with cartridge filter bump, crystal clear. So I did have another one, got rid of it, and then this one, it doubled, tripled in price, but I decided to get another one. Got the innovative T-joint, and it says no tools required to set it up, 30 minutes. And we have, they say this is new 3-ply durable material. These are plastic now. They used to be metal, and you'd have to put like a little pin inside, but now you basically slide in the materials and then set it right up. Here's a look at all the parts out of the box. So go ahead and start setting this up. All right, so we have a bunch of these poles here. So slide it out, right? And then you have these, once it's on the ground, put it in there like so. So once you get there, this will go onto the ground, right? And then the T-joint come here. You put that on top, and then the two poles coming out the side. You basically have to do that around the entire pole.
I want to say if you got help from this video, found it useful, please consider liking and subscribing and hitting that bell just in case you want to see videos in the future.